In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram Reels cover in Microsoft Designer. By the end, you'll have a clean, eye-catching cover that looks great in the Reels feed and on your profile grid. First, open Microsoft Designer in your browser or the app and start a new design. Set your canvas to 1080 by 1920 pixels, which is the standard size for Instagram Reels and Stories. If Designer doesn't let you type custom dimensions, pick the Instagram Story preset. It uses the same 9:16 aspect ratio, so your cover will fit perfectly. Now bring in your visuals. Upload the photo you want to use, whether that's a dedicated image or a still from your video. This image sets the tone of your reel, so choose something that represents the content clearly. Add your text on top. Think short and bold. A title, a hook, or a topic line like 5 tips for better photos. Short phrases read better on a small thumbnail than long sentences. Next, style and adjust your design for clarity. Choose fonts that are easy to read at a glance, and make sure there's strong contrast between your text and the background. If your image is busy, consider slightly darkening the photo or adding a subtle shape behind the text to help it pop. Position your key elements toward the center of the canvas. This is your safe area. Instagram may crop your cover to a square on your profile grid, so keeping faces, logos, and text away from the very top and bottom helps them stay visible everywhere. A quick rule of thumb. Imagine a centered square inside your design and keep important details within that zone. Nudge and fine-tune spacing so nothing feels cramped. When you're happy with the layout, download your cover. Click Download and choose PNG for crisp text or JPG for a slightly smaller file size. Save it to your device so it's easy to find when you post. Now use the cover on Instagram. As you upload your reel, tap Cover or Edit Cover on the posting screen. Select the graphic you created in Designer, then adjust the position so the main subject and text are centered and readable in both the full screen preview and the square profile grid. Save your cover selection, finish your post details, and publish your reel. That's it. You've created a polished Instagram Reels cover in Microsoft Designer that's sized correctly, readable, and ready to grab attention.